In today's video, I'll show you how to add the Salesforce plugin to Outlook. This is a quick process that will help you manage your emails and Salesforce tasks all in one place. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Safari or Firefox will work, and go to the Outlook website. Log in with your email and password to access your account. Next, open a new message or an existing one. On the message ribbon, look for Get Add-ins or click the three-dot menu to find it. This is where you can install additional tools, including Salesforce. In the add-in store, type Salesforce in the search bar. When the Salesforce plugin appears, click Add to install it. After the installation, you'll see a Salesforce Cloud icon or new options related to Salesforce in your ribbon. Click the icon to open the Salesforce sidebar. You'll be prompted to log in using your Salesforce credentials. Enter your username and password to authenticate your account. Once logged in, the plugin is ready. You can now access Salesforce features directly from Outlook, view contacts, and streamline your workflow without switching platforms. And that's it. You've successfully added the Salesforce plugin to Outlook, making your email and CRM work seamlessly together.